Welcome to my channel Future Bright English Learning. You know that we are discussing about tense. In our earlier class, we had started present indefinite tense, and in that class, I had showed you the indefinite tense with the do verbs. But today I will show you the same tense, present indefinite tense, but with the be verb and also with the have verbs. See, the present indefinite tense with be verbs and have verbs. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite. Present indefinite tense. And you know, in that class, I told you the formula. What was the formula? Subject and then verb 1, then object, then remaining. It was the formula of present indefinite tense. That means in this way, following this formula, we can create a lot of sentences. But see here, we had used verb 1 here. That means we had created a lot of sentences with the main verb, with the verb 1, with the form of verb 1. But today I will show you the same tense, present indefinite tense, but with the be verb. Verb, what are the verbs? By these words, we can indicate doing something, being something, and having something. Already we have shown you with the do verb. But today I will show you the present indefinite tense with be verb and have verb. So the rule will be the same, but in place of be one, it will be am, is, and are, and then it will be the same. And if you want to create the sentences with the have verb, so in place of verb 1 or in place of am, is, are, you have to write have and has, and then you will follow the same rule. So in this way we can create a lot of sentences. See the formula how we can create a lot of sentences. Suppose I am a student. See, I have used here not verb 1, but I have used here be verb. Be verbs are present tense. Be verb, there are 5 be verbs in English. Am, is, are, these 3 are present tense, and was and were of past tense. But in this class, we are discussing present indefinite, present tense. So that's why we shall use am, is, are in place of verb 1. So I am a student. Say, subject I have used. Then, according to subject, I have used am. So am, be verb I have used. And then other parts remaining I have used. So in this way, I can create a lot of sentences, right? So, and then if you want to increase, you can increase the say, I'm a student of, of RN Tagore High School. RN Tagore High School. See, I'm a student of RN Tagore High School. In the same way, is are we can use is, am is, the use of am is are already I have discussed where we use am, where we use is, and also we have discussed where we should use are. So he is a student of, he is a student of RN Chagor High School. Chagor High School. See, just I have followed only this formula. Subject I have taken, then be verb I have taken, then other parts of the sentences or remaining I have used. If I get object and then I use object. He is an honest man. Honest man. Honest man. See, he is an honest man. Again, subject and be verb and then other parts of the sentences I have used. So in this way, I can create a lot of sentences. If you want to use are, see, are, we we are students. We are students. So you can increase in this way. If you want to increase, you can increase. So in this way, we create a lot of sentences with the help of be verb. And these all these sentences are also the examples of present indefinite or simple present, right? So with the help of be verb, am is er, we also can create a lot of sentences. Just follow the formula. In same, the formula will be the same. Subject, and in place of verb one, you will take am is er, be verb, and then object and remaining. So thus, we can create a lot of sentences with the help of be verb. Now, I will show you to create the sentences, to frame the sentences with the help of have verb. You know, I am rubbing on this. So, again, there are three have verbs in English: have, has, and had. Have, has, these two are of present tense, and had is of past tense. But as we are discussing present tense, so we shall use have and has. Right? See how we can create in place of verb one and in place of am is are. I have a car. I have a car. See, subject I have used, and then have verb according to subject I have used have, and then other parts of the sentences I have used. So I have a car, and you can increase if you want. He has a house in, if you want to create, in Kolkata. See, so here I have used have, and again subject has, and then object and other parts of the sentences. So these are also the examples of present indefinite tense. So how we are creating the sentences of present indefinite? Sometimes we are using verb one, and sometimes in place of verb one we use am is are, and sometimes we use have and has, and then we follow the same one formula, right? And following this formula, following this rule, we can create a lot of sentences. And all these sentences are the examples of surely present indefinite or simple present, but these are all affirmative sentences, right? And in the next class, when we shall discuss again present indefinite tense, and in that class I will show you how to create negative sentences of present indefinite tense and also the question sentences of present indefinite tenses. But today, what I have discussed, I hope you all have understood. So it is the main formula of present indefinite tense: subject, verb one, object, and remaining, or subject, be verb of present tense, and then object and then remaining. Again, subject, have verb or present tense, and then object and remaining. Just follow this formula. If you get verb 1, do verb, so you will use verb 1, and if you get be verb, so you will use be verb, measure, and if you get have verb, so you will use have or has. So in this way, you can create a lot of sentences. I hope you all have understood this class. Follow this class. Again, we shall discuss, and now we are in tense. Many classes will be discussed in this way, in very easy way. So stay with us and follow this channel, and I will request you to subscribe my channel, to share the videos, and also comment if you think that these videos are really good for you. So comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.